Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If your dredged cheese sticks are not frozen through before hitting the hot oil, they will disintegrate. And you will cry. Moral of the story: freeze them on the wire rack or on a baking sheet for at least 1 hour. 19 February 2017.
Take our lead.
Sounds like your problem is most likely with temperature. Try using a higher heat next time so that you can get a crispy breading before the cheese melts out. Also, make sure that you aren't throwing too many mozzarella sticks into the pan at once. It can cool the oil down and cause the sticks to stick together.
Make your mark, take our lead.
First, they should be breaded twice so they have a thick enough shell to keep the cheese inside. The other thing is to freeze them for at least 2 hours before frying. Otherwise the cheese will likely ooze out of the shell, and that's no fun.
Take our lead.
Double coating them will help the cheese to stay inside the coating and not melt out while they're frying. It's super important that they are frozen before you fry them, otherwise the cheese will ooze out of the coating. The ideal temperature for frying is about 350 degrees to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 24 September 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Hot oil seals the coating and keeps the cheese from oozing. Try heating your oil to about 365 to 375 degrees in order to brown the coating quickly. When the coating is nicely browned, you can remove the sticks and keep them in a low temperature, 200 degrees, oven until ready to serve. 1 September 2004.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.